right, and the last point is conditional formatting. So what is conditional formatting? Well, conditional formatting is what I've got here. Essentially, that's a little diagram or image, or some of them will change color, those type of things, based on the value of a cell. So how do we do that? Well, once you've got all of our totals there and the formulas working out those totals, if we do that, shift control and down to actually highlight that, and then we go on the home tab to conditional formatting. I'm going to click manage rules, but you can start a new rule and select icon set. Now you can see it's relating to G11 to G32, so it's got the right field of formulas. And now let's click on that to double check what was going on here. It says icon sets. So use the green tick when the value is greater than 100. So I've changed, the default will be % here. We just change that to number. You see now they've gone blank. So it says if we make more than £100, make it go green. If we go greater than or equal to 0, so if we make from £0 to £100, it'll be in yellow. If you make greater than 100, it'll be in green. And if you make less than £0, i.e. a loss, it'll show up a red cross. And you can actually edit that to whatever you want, and you can click show icon only if you don't want to show the value, you just want to show the icon, and then OK, and then apply and OK. And then what that will do is it will show up those conditional formatting. So how does this help you? Well, and it just makes it so much easier to see what's happening than this. You look at this and you really got to sit down and think about, what am I looking at here? What does it do? Where are the good figures? What's bad? What's good? What's bad? What are all these zeros doing there? You scroll down to see the different totals at the bottom. You can't see the headers. You scroll up to see the header, you can't see the total. It's just a bit of a pain and a bit clumsy, but that is unfortunately what most people are doing. Whereas this one, you can see it nicely laid out, all sorts of illustrations to show you what's happening, clearing unwanted zeros and errors and data. Headers at the top. As you scroll down, you can still see the headers and still see the values, all color coded for your business with your logo and everything else. No excess columns and lines and things milling about. You can't override over formulas because they're all locked, and the ones that are unlocked are the ones that you need to be using. Really nice, really clear, but it's exactly the same spreadsheet. It does exactly the same thing, but just so much better laid out, so much better organized, and so much more professional. So I hope that helps you with your spreadsheets, and I hope that you learn some tips and tricks, and I hope that this helps you to make better spreadsheets in the future. Thank you very much, and goodbye.